Ya,
Kakak prodi apa ya kak kalau boleh tahu?
aku statistik.
Oh pas banget. Boleh nggak kak? Aku minta waktunya sebentar buat aku nanya-nanya ke kakak soal UB.
Boleh banget.
Okay, so kak, we are currently in University of Brawijaya kan ya? So what makes you choose this university?
Well, it's simply because Universitas Brawijaya is one of top 10 universities in Indonesia sih.
And then why did you choose this faculty?
Because first of all, I like math, and then this faculty helps me improve my analysis skill and my practical skills.
Oh my god, okay. Of all options you had, why did you choose your major?
My major is statistics, so statistics give me a wide opportunity in work, so I can work in many karir gitulah pokoknya. Sorry deh.
Next, what are the benefits you get from studying here?
Uh, well, dapat ini sih ilmu tentang tentang statistiknya juga. Terus juga itu yang pertama karena itu emang major studi aku kan. Terus juga connection because there is so much great people here and maybe some of them is famous and then I can be friends with them.
Okay,
gitu.
true. Okay, for the last question, what are your plan after graduating?
Of course, get a work, get a job. Yes, because I wanna be a career woman, right? Yes.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you so much ya kak for your time.
Okay. Good luck ya.
Thank you.
Permisi kak, maaf mengganggu waktunya. Kakak dari MIPA ya?
Iya,
Oh dari MIPA. Kalau boleh tahu dari prodi apa ya?
di prodi statistika.
Nah pas banget. Perkenalkan nama aku Nathaniel Semana Putra. Aku dari prodi Sains Data. Kakaknya berkenan nggak ya kalau saya wawancarain sebentar aja? Berkenan. Because we are currently in Brawijaya University. What makes you choose this university?
Okay. I choose Universitas Brawijaya because it's one of top 10 university in Indonesia, and also it has a good reputation and provides strong career in industry.
And then why did you choose this faculty then?
Okay. I choose this faculty because I interest in science, especially mathematics, and solve problems and learning that things train my logical and analytical thinking.
And then why of all option did you choose your major? Statistics, right?
Okay. I choose statistics because it's closely related to data, and then I want to learn how to process and analyze the data into useful information.
So far, what are the benefits you get from Brawijaya University?
Okay, I get some benefit in experience. I'm also join organization, and in especially my major statistics, I will learn basic R coding. It's helpfully for this situation.
For the last question, what is your plan after graduating?
Okay, my plan after graduate, I want to work as a data analyst or data engineer, and yeah, like that. Yeah.
I think that's all. Thank you for your time. Thank you very much.
We are currently in Brawijaya University. Why did you choose Brawijaya University as your university?
Aku milih Universitas Brawijaya itu karena yang pertama Universitas Brawijaya itu merupakan salah satu universitas terbaik ya di Indonesia, dan juga aku melihat kalau di Universitas Brawijaya ini banyak menghasilkan alumni-alumni yang punya prospek kerja yang bagus gitu, tersebar di seluruh Indonesia.
Why did you choose this faculty?
Karena aku itu lebih berminat di bidang sains gitu daripada sosial, makanya aku milih untuk masuk ke Fakultas MIPA.
Okay. And why did you choose your major right now?
Karena aku suka banget mengelola data, jadi aku milih statistika karena di statistika itu kan kita belajar gimana cara mengumpulkan data, menganalisis data, sampai kita bagaimana caranya menarik kesimpulan dari suatu data itu.
So far, what are the benefits that you get?
Kalau benefit yang aku dapat itu, yang pertama aku juga banyak belajar cara bagaimana mengelola data dengan benar dan juga gimana caranya kita untuk bisa menarik kesimpulan dengan data itu secara akurat, dan juga aku banyak melatih soft skill aku dengan ikut kepanitiaan dan juga organisasi.
Okay, so for the last question, what is your plan after graduating?
Kalau plan aku after graduation itu aku bakalan mencari kerja di bidang data analis supaya aku bisa menyalurkan ilmu-ilmu yang aku dapat dari statistika ini.
Okay, thank you so much for the time.
Sama-sama.
Hey. So we are currently in Brawijaya University. What make you choose Brawijaya University?
Okay, so the reason why I choose University of Brawijaya, well, there are a lot of consideration that I took in before I entered this university. So the first, I look at the location. So my relatives, my older sisters are already pursuing education in Malang. So that's why I decided that maybe it would be better for me to go to college in Malang. After that, I look at the universities, which one has the most quality and which one has the best reputation. And I stumbled across the University of Brawijaya and I chose.
Okay, and then the second question, why did you choose the Faculty of Science?
Faculty of Science. So in high school, I take on classes that correlates to science. I took on mathematics, physics, English, and also biology. So I figured it better for me to take science classes rather than social science or humanities. And I also think that I am more of a theory than practice guy. So I think it's better for me to go to faculties of science rather than faculty of engineering or maybe faculty of computer science.
Okay, it very makes sense.
Yeah.
And then why did you choose statistics as your major?
Again, choosing study program is a lot of consideration to take now. So, but at first I look at the tests that correlate to my passion and my interest, and I stumbled across 3 study programs, which is mathematics, statistics, and information technology. And after that, I have to look at the curriculum courses in Brawijaya University, which one that has the most courses that suits me the best. And I thought statistics is the best choice because I think we started off kind of slow in the first semester. We only learned introduction to management, introduction to set theory and logic. We did learn some hard stuff such as calculus and statistical method, but it's definitely easier for me rather than going into engineering, which has a lot of practicum, or going into pure mathematics, which has 4 credit score of calculus. And also the job prospect of statistics right now is really promising. I look at it, and we can work as a consultant and work as a data analyst. We have to choose which one they are good for us, and it's nice because it's very versatile major for me.
Okay, and then what are the benefits that you get so far in Brawijaya University, especially in statistics?
The benefits really good. I can look at the facilities and it's are very comfortable. I use the library very extensively, and during the exam time, I go to the library very often. I went to it, and also I think the classroom has a very nice atmosphere. It's just nice that the facilities is comfortable for us students, and also the fact that we have a lot of friends that have the same ambition as me. You know.
Okay, and the last question, what are your plans after graduating from Brawijaya University?
Well, realistically, my sister right now is working at bank, so I think I could see myself doing bank job at the future. But ideally, I want to continue in a master program, maybe in foreign countries if it's possible. And then after that, I will figure out whether I want to be a professor to teach, or maybe I want to be a professional consultant in the next future.
So we are currently in Brawijaya University. What makes you choose Brawijaya?
Alasan kenapa saya memilih Universitas Brawijaya karena Universitas Brawijaya merupakan salah satu kampus terbaik yang berada di top 10.
For the second question, why did you choose this faculty?
Karena saya prodi statistika sendiri berada di Fakultas MIPA.
From all of the study programs, why did you choose statistics?
Karena statistik sendiri punya banyak prospek kerja di segala bidang pekerjaan.
I see. And so far, what are the benefits that you get from learning in Brawijaya University?
Sejauh ini manfaat yang saya dapat selama berkuliah di Universitas Brawijaya ini, saya dapat ilmu baru dari dosen, terus saya dapat teman baru juga dari berbagai daerah, sama lingkungan kampus ini juga ngebantu saya buat grow up sama mencoba hal-hal baru.
Okay, see. And for the last question, what is or are your plans after graduating?
Setelah lulus, rencananya saya pengen bekerja sebagai data analis yang kerja di perusahaan asing.
Oke, makasih banyak ya Kak atas waktunya.
We are currently in Brawijaya University. So, what makes you choose this university?
Actually, I choose Brawijaya University because I want to use my SNBP, my chance in SNBP. Jadi sebelumnya tuh banyak kakak kelas aku yang SNBP di statistika, makanya aku mau pakai kesempatan itu gitu.
Oh gitu, keren banget nih kakaknya. Oke, lanjut ke pertanyaan kedua ya kak ya. And then, why did you choose this faculty?
I choose this faculty because actually MIPA it gives me strong basic in data. Fokusnya di statistik ini, makanya aku emang di SMA juga sukanya matematik dan sub materi yang salah satunya aku suka itu statistika gitu.
Oh gitu jadi. Oke, jadi kita lanjut ke pertanyaan ketiga nih ya kak ya. Why of all options did you choose your major of statistik?
Sama mirip sama kayak sebelumnya sih. Ya dan aku sukanya lebih ke penerapannya gitu loh. Kan kalau matematika itu sebenarnya lebih ke umumnya ya. Kalau statistika itu lebih penerapannya gitu dan aku pengennya yang lebih ke ilmu yang terapannya itu.
Wih kakaknya keren banget nih. Oke kak, kita lanjut ke pertanyaan keempat nih ya. So far, what are the benefits that you get?
Banyak banget.
Banyak banget.
Pasti banyak banget.
Oh banyak banget. Jadi boleh satu aja deh contohnya apa nih benefit yang udah kakak dapat?
Soalnya basicnya di MIPA itu kan dia saintek ya. Dia tuh beneran ngebantu kita banget buat berpikir kritis. Ya gak sih? Kerasa gak sih? Nah itu salah satunya dan kayak sangat bisa dipakai di mana aja gitu. Walaupun di perusahaan yang bukan sains pun, sains tuh bisa masuk gitu di situ.
Wih, keren banget nih kakaknya. Oke, for the last question, what is your plan after graduating?
I think all of statistic wants to be data analyst itu pasti.
Wih.
Salah satunya dan itu bisa dimanapun bisa masuk data analis tuh, bisa masuk di mana aja. Kayak kemarin company visit analis data pasti bisa.
Pasti bisa.
Iya.
Wih, keren banget. Makasih banyak ya buat kakaknya, sukses terus dan jangan putus semangat ya di Fakultas Matematika dan IPA ya. Oke.
Why do you choose Brawijaya University?
Because I'm from Malang and stay near from my home.
Why did you choose this faculty, Mathematics and Science faculty?
Because I like mathematics.
Because you like mathematics?
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Why of all option of the major, why did you choose your major? Statistik major?
Because setelah saya melihat peluang kerja di masa depan, statistika termasuk salah satu fakultas jurusan yang peluang kerjanya tinggi.
Okay. So far, what are the benefits that you get, especially in this faculty?
Keuntungan yang utama bisa mengatur waktu sih, kan dari statistika kita belajar mengolah dan mengatur data.
Okay. For the last question, what is your plan after graduating?
Oh, rencana saya setelah wisuda menjadi seseorang yang kaya dan sukses.
Okay, so the first question, we are currently in Brawijaya University. So, what makes you choose this university?
Because I'm really familiar about the weather, the people in Malang, and also because UB is one of the best university that has the major that I want, which is statistics.
Okay. So, UB has a lot of faculties, right? So why did you choose statistics as your faculty?
Maybe the faculty is MIPA actually, right?
Oh yeah, MIPA.
Yeah, I choose MIPA because my major there is in MIPA actually. I'm not caring about what the faculty. I'm just caring about the major that I want.
Okay, so what is the reason you choose statistics?
Actually, I choose statistics because in high school I really love mathematics, especially in statistic mathematics, and because statistics can work in every company, and in my dream I'm so want to being a business analyst. So yeah, I take this major.
So next question. So far, what are the benefits that you get?
The benefit that I get in UB, actually, yeah, because we do statistics, right? So I got an experience about the organization, also about the ilmu yang kita dapetin tentang statistik tentunya gitu.
So the last question, what is your plan after graduating from UB?
As I say just now, I said that I want to work as a business analyst. So after graduate, I hope I can reach the dream.
Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you.
Why do you choose UB?
Because honestly, my home close to UB, only 10 kilometer. So yeah.
Okay, the second question is why do you choose this faculty?
Because I love and interesting to learn about science tech.
Third question, why do you choose statistics?
Because first I love math, but I doesn't want to took a pure math major.
Yeah.
So I want search how major that matching with mathematics, but that's not a pure math. So I search applied mathematics and I get statistics.
The fourth question, what are the benefits that you get so far while studying in Universitas Brawijaya?
Okay. What I get benefit from studying to UP is first, of course, I get a lot of friends. Second, I got a good environmental to learn, like facilities, like library, canteen, and more about that. Yes.
And the last question, what is your plan after graduating from Brawijaya University?
What my plan is, of course, I want to search a job that matching with my major, that is statistics. And if I still interesting to learn and study more and more, maybe I want to take a Strata 2 and get a master title.
Oh, master degree. Yeah?
Yes.
I think that's all.
Yes.
Thank you very much for the time.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
First question, why do you choose this university?
Okay, I choose this university because Brawijaya University is one of the best university in East Java, not only in Java but also Indonesia. So it's by many sources that saying University Brawijaya is top 10 university in this country.
Okay, that makes sense. And the second question, why do you choose the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science?
Okay, I choose this faculty, Mathematics and Natural Science, because in high school I already pursued this way, MIPA, so I think it's better for me to continue my study in here.
And then, why do you choose statistics, your major?
I chose statistics because I was enjoying statistics in high school, and I think statistics has also a huge potential career in the future.
Okay, so the next question, what are the benefits you get so far from this university?
So far, while in this university, I get a lot of friends, and then I'm grow up so much here, but soft and hard skill. So this faculty provides me organization like BEM, so I could join them there.
Okay, and the last question, what's your plan after graduating from this university?
Of course, I'm planning to get a job that linear with my major, like data analyst, data scientist, and data engineering.
Okay, thank you for your time. Terima kasih atas jawabannya. Dadah.
University of Brawijaya ranked among the top 10 university in Indonesia. The statistics department has always been very popular. Various job prospect is one of the reason why, since many aims to work directly after they graduate. University of Brawijaya offers an inclusive chance for all students to study. Many students unfold their potential with Brawijaya, and now it's your turn.